Hi, there. Today we will teach you how to draw a sloped ceiling. First, draw your basic room layout. We are going to make a simple loft structure first. Separate and rename your rooms. Add doors. Set one wall as the dwarf wall. Height 2500 millimeters. Then, adjust the height of the whole floor plan to 5000 millimeters. This really matters. Switch to 3D mode. The current floor plan is like this. Then, go to Construction tool. Now, we will draw the second floor and sloped ceiling. Choose Wall. Click Background Wall Editor at the height of 2500 millimeters. Use Rectangle tool to draw the profile of second level on the face. Protrude this part 3300 millimeters out as the second floor. Then, drag finish to the floor. Save. Look, the second floor is ready. Then, drag flooring finishes to the project. And wall finishes. Now we find that there are still some white panels exist on the wall. It is because that this wall is set to the dwarf wall. There ought to have a wall here. So, we have to brush them by ourselves. Use Rectangle tool to draw these faces. And copy the finish from the beside wall. Remember to pay attention to the endpoints during the process. The first part is completed. Now, let's do the sloped ceiling. Choose one wall that perpendicular to the sloped ceiling. Go to Background Wall Editor. Draw the roof profile. Protrude the modeling. When it's done, back to 3D mode. We can see that the ceiling is built perfectly. Drag finish to the roof. Place furniture and decor. For the furniture on the second floor, adjust their height above floor. And the stairs height should be in accordance with the second floor. Then, go render. You can check the render effect of the first and second floors by adjusting the camera height and position. We recommend you changing the camera height to 3400 mm when viewing the upper level. That's all for today. See you next time.